We are very pleased with our Sofucor ceiling fan. We like the way it looks, as well as it's a pretty silent fan and it moves air very well. We like the features that it has on the remote, which is a 1 hour, 4 hour, or 8 hour timer, as well as you can adjust the speed of your airflow, 1 through 6 here. And it also has a feature for forward air or reverse air, forward for the summertime and reverse for the wintertime, and it moves the air very nicely. And so we feel very pleased because not only does this fan look strong and well equipped to work well, it just has such a silent sound and it moves air beautifully.